Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am here with my winter edition of my FabFitFun unboxing, and if you guys want to see what's inside this box, then keep on watching. Here we are with my FabFitFun unboxing for winter 2020. If you guys don't know, I've done a couple of these. These are FabFitFun boxes. You pay, I believe it's $50 every 3-4 months, and you get a box full of goodies. Now the retail of this box can be anywhere from like $200 to like up there. You're definitely getting your money's worth when you buy FabFitFun. It is a fun little present for yourself, or you could gift it to somebody else. So this for me, so I'll pick that up later. It comes with the publication inside, and there is always, you know, different little tips and tricks that you can use in order to use the most of the product that you get. I'm gonna hold on to it because I'm gonna need to tell you what's inside this box. Looks like here we have a bunch of different little offers. We have a offer from HelloFresh, which I think is what we got in our last FabFitFun, a fun little FabFitFun sticker. A gift for you. What is this? Okay, we got a lot here. A 14-day free trial to HBO Max. That's fun. That could have taken somebody's eye out. Half full or half empty, there's always room for more wine. What was that? We get another promo code from Bright Sellers, which is something that I'm very interested in trying. Still haven't tried out yet. 2021, I want to be the year of testing out new things, like new wines, new tastes, new things. Let's get experimental. Careful how you say that, Sarah. First thing. So the first thing I'm going to pull out of the box is the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. This retails for $36. I have tested this out before. I think I've used their microdermabrasion treatment where it like really gets in there, and I loved it. It was like an all-time favorite. I was obsessed with it. So it says that it removes makeup residue and dead skin while banishing sebum. This is supposed to help remove makeup. It's supposed to really just give everything to a base level cleanse. It just smells clean. Y'all gotta understand, I have been on the drugstore kick lately. I'm not trying to spend more than $10. So $36. I feel that already. If I only spent $50 on the box, worthwhile. It's our first product we pulled out. The Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm. This retails for $68. She seems very bougie. She's dirty. Dirty bird. I don't need a man. I don't need a man. I don't need a man. This looks like it's just your run-of-the-mill eye cream, and it says that it's supposed to have, I'm gonna just put the word right here because sis is not gonna be able to pronounce it. Acid, vitamin C, and green tea extract to help reduce puffiness and hydrate the eye area. What was I gonna say? If you ever wanted to know what it's like to be inside my brain, that was a prime example of it. I'm very fortunate that I don't have extreme bags under my eyes. It only looks like it just because my makeup smudges a lot. I have used Algenist products before. I do like them, I will say. I know that they are a little bit more on the pricier side. And again, this retailed for $68. I only paid $50 for the box, so definitely makes it worthwhile. Next, Beautaniq Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. These guys retail for $25. So while I struggle to get this open, y'all gonna really make me be that girl right now. I'm about to start gnawing on this in a second because I can't. It looks like that there are 4 individually wrapped little eye masks. It says that it's ideal for tired and overworked eyes, jet lag, or party pre-party prep. They give you instructions on pointy side up and pointy side down, because in that way it gives you different results. Even if you wanted to, you could divvy these up and give them to a couple girlfriends. May or may not be some parties coming up in my future that I would use these for, or just for a self-care Sunday. Oh, these are cute. So these are the Paradox Lucky Stars Blemish patches. These retail for $18. Oh my god, these are adorable. Our little Blemish, oh, I didn't mean to. Oh, I peeled off like 6 of them. I love the fact that they're black. I thought they were gonna be like holographic, but it can make you kind of step out and maybe do something like a little fun with like using one of these and wearing it throughout the day. It says for best results, use for 6 hours or more. So if you really felt like stepping out, you could wear this during the day. I probably would because I work from home. They are a fun little black star, so that is cute. You can use them at nighttime. That's probably when I would prefer to use them. I'm anxious to see if they actually work, but if anything, they're cute as heck. Wait, what is this? FabFitFun sent us a snack. Oh, those are actually delicious. Only half. We have the rest of the box to undo. Aesthetica liquid eyeliner in black. This guy retails for $21. This is a liquid eyeliner. Oh, this is like old school liquid eyeliner. I haven't used a liner like this in so long. Clearly, Sis likes doing winged liner. Liquid liner sometimes just gives you the most precise. So we shall see. Looks like here we have something from Kate Spade. Ooh, wait. Oh, these are pretty. The Rise and Shine stud earrings. There's 2 sets here and they retail for $68. These are just so timeless and so pretty. These are something that I probably would wear as like an everyday earring, or even if I was feeling ambitious, I could wear them in my second hole. I love Kate Spade. I love Kate Spade accessories, clothing, all of it. I'm really pumped about those. The Flight Mode Skincare High Altitude Hydration Mask. This guy retails for $39. Maybe I won't get as embarrassed this time. Nope, I'm gonna get embarrassed this time. Oh, there we go. I'm not gonna get as embarrassed this time. Nope, JK, you still are. I don't understand why FabFitFun has felt the need to package everything so tightly. Probably because of COVID. But let's, oh, that was a mistake. I know I am not the only one that has been having this problem, and I don't know if it's because I have been inside like all the time, or bro, how much packaging do you really need? I have been struggling with such dryness that hopefully this would work, because when you're on airplanes, high altitudes, it really dries your skin out. Bro, how much security do you need to get through this product? What the heck? Oh, wow. It also has aloe vera and cucumber extract, so that's really going to help with any irritation that you might have when you do have hydration masks on your face and you have to wipe them off. It doesn't really serve its purpose. This looks like it's a fun brand, especially if it's all about like travel. Someday we'll be able to travel again. The last thing inside our FabFitFun box, it looks like, is from the Daily Concepts, and this is a daily facial dry brush. It retails for $20. We're not trying to salvage anything here today. I think I mentioned it in my tanning video. In my tanning routine video, I do dry brush whenever I do self-tan. I don't dry brush my face because low-key scared to, especially with the dry brush that I do have. This one is really small, handy, just enough to get right into the areas that you need. You can use this probably along your face, your neck, your chest, and just like the finer little nitty-gritty areas you want to get. I think dry brushing is really going to help, especially with some of the dryness that I have going on. I probably would have preferred it to be bigger so I could use it all over my body, but for what it is, it's not a bad little gig. So that was everything that was inside my FabFitFun box. The total value of this box was $295, which, if you look at everything inside, I think that these are all products that I'm really going to use. I feel like with the last box I got, it was very hard for me to decide if I was going to use everything, and to be honest with you, I really didn't. There are so many things in here that are just going to help me get ready for like party season, especially with the holidays coming up. You're going to have those products that are going to get you prepared for the party, like those Blemish zits and the eye doodads, and then you have the stuff that's going to prepare you for after the party. So like that hydration mask, you know, all of those things, they're all going to work together to really just kind of exemplify your routine. But I love the cohesiveness of the theme of this box for sure. So thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you like my videos and if you like my content and if you like me, feel free to subscribe by hitting the button down below and getting notified when I post new videos. You guys can go check over my website over at sarahlock.com, 2 H's, 2 K's, and I'll also be sure to list all of my social media profiles down below too, so you can follow me wherever I might be. With that said, I'm gonna go ahead and play with these products. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, love you always, stay safe, happy holidays, and until next time, we'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm like snotty. Oh, that hurts. I don't need a man. I don't need help. I'm an independent woman. I don't need help. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it. If that's not how this day, week, month, year has gone, I literally have a rut in it. I can feel it. Come on. My video is just going to be 12 minutes of me trying to open this thing. I'm gonna figure this out. It's that hurt. Huh? Dude, see, I didn't want to have to be that person, but sometimes you just gotta put some teeth in it. Yeah, I went to college. Why is I'm like flashed? Can't see. They must be like partners. Very Bostonian of you. Take about 20% off there. Why did I just open it like a savage? How sweaty do I look? It's a rhetorical question. I bit off more than I could chew. Who is bothering me? Oh no. How likely am I to run a 5K? 0. Negative. No mas. 2 cans of beer a day and let you bleed.